Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make italics in our character AI. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your character AI on your desired web browser. Then after opening, go to any chat you want. Here you can see, tap on discover and then click on the thing you want. Click on any character you want to practice a new language, plan a trip, write a story. I will tap on write a story and I will type how to. Then to make it italics, what you can do is Ctrl plus Shift plus type asterisk plus which text you want to type in italics, and then tap on enter. There you go. You can see over here that your font has turned to italics. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.